When we invented the classic truss 30 years ago, the world was a different place. Pretty much everything was done by hand. And it was this craftsmanship that made ours the industry's preferred rigging equipment. And for decades, it worked just fine. Everybody got comfortable. But when people get comfortable, we get creative. We began using state-of-the-art technology to manufacture the next generation of truss. We designed it from the ground up, minimizing production time, making it stronger than ever, guaranteeing a 100% square cross-section, and ensuring a seamless fit with your current stock. We give you our latest innovation, the TPM series, made in Holland at 6082. We're the innovators.